boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have a song here with Diego, Angela, and Benja Torres. This one is called Leyes de la Vida. Alright, again, song I cannot relate that much to since I don't understand the lyrics that much, but I understand the music here and the rhythm, and I love that. So let's take a look at this song. Alright, so we are going clean here, no need for any cape on this one. And what I can see just right now, we have 6 different chords, all right? And it will be bar chords here. So let's start the bar chord era here with the D sharp minor. Okay, so you place a bar here on the 6th fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 8 on D, 8 on G, and 7th on B. Then you go to the C sharp 7. You place a bar now on the 4th fret, same strings there, and then you need to add 6 on D and 6 on B. B7 next, you take the very same grip and move on here 2 frets down the road. You land with the bar finger on the 2nd fret, everything else is the same, 4th on D and 4th on B added. There you have your B7, and then you continue the very same grip there, 1 row down the line there. You land with the bar finger on the 1st fret, and then you use everything else the same there, 3rd fret on D string, 3rd on B, and that gives you the A sharp 7. But you have 2 different versions of the A sharp 7 here. Since we want to have it very handy up here, we're gonna use the A sharp 7 together with other chords that are high up here. So we want also to learn the A sharp 7 at this position. So that's a bar finger here placed on the 6th fret over all strings. All right, and then you need to add 8 on A and 7th on G. That is also the A sharp 7. Moving on here with the G sharp minor. Place the bar finger now on the 4th fret, so you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And the final chord will be the F sharp. So you use your index finger to bar all strings on the 2nd fret now, all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. So there you have all the different chords for the song. So the verse play and the pre-chorus play, it's just 1 down per chord. So the verse play will be D sharp minor, then the C sharp 7, then the B7, and the A sharp 7. And at this verse here and the verse play, I would choose to play this A sharp since we have the B7, and then it follows very naturally right after with the A sharp 7. So use this version of the A sharp 7 here. That's the verse play, and the pre-chorus is played with G sharp minor. Still 1 down on all these chords, then the B7, then the D sharp minor, and the C sharp 7. Everything is still 1 down per chord. But now starts the strumming, and it starts with the D minor. So grab that chord, and we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. So 1 round goes like this. All right, so that is down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. First down, down, up, clap, and then comes up, down, up. All right, so down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. All right, so the chorus will be D sharp minor for 2 rounds. Then the C sharp 7, 2 rounds. Then the G sharp minor, 2 rounds. And then comes the A sharp 7, 2 rounds. Here I would choose to play this version, okay? So 2 rounds of that. Then again, D sharp minor, 2 rounds. And then the A sharp 7, 2 rounds. I would do this then, just go up one string. and then the G sharp minor, 2 rounds. And then we have the F sharp 1 round. And we end with the A sharp 7 again, 1 round. And now I would choose to play this one. So it's all about where you are on the fretboard if you choose to play this one or this one when it comes to A sharp 7. And that is how you handle the chorus play. And that it's pretty much what you need, all the tools you need to handle this song, Leyes de la Vida. So I hope you enjoyed this one. You put that together on your own and you have that song. Very easy. Give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.